Good morning, and this video is courtesy of me, but via Dale. Dale found this tool, and I'm just sharing it with everybody else. It is called PDF Candy. It is a really powerful tool that you can do. You used to have to go to multiple websites to be able to do all these different things, and it looks like they've conglomerated it all into one place. So, for example, if you have multiple PDFs and you want to put them together into one big PDF, you can do that. If you want to make your PDF smaller, this sometimes happens, you can compress it, or if you want to split it. And you have all these other ones. And just to show you, it all goes all the way down to here. And so if you want to turn a PDF into a picture, you can do that. If you want to turn a picture into a PDF, you can do that. Just to show you how one of these works, I'm going to pick the split one because for me as a teacher, the split one is what I got because I used a lot on a different website. The reason being is you get those book PDFs that have all the pages of all the different things, and you don't necessarily want all the pages. You want to be able to send out a certain page. So how you can do that is you find a PDF. So if I go to add a file, and here's just this random file that I have going right now, and I pick it and I open it up. It's going to show me how many pages I have, and then you have your splitting options where you can split into single page files, you can split into page ranges, you can merge selected pages, or you can delete selected pages. So the split will let you do a whole bunch of different things. So it's kind of a nice feature. So if I did this split into separate pages, this 5-page PDF would split into 5 individual pages. So if we do that, I'm just going to do it really fast. I'm going to pause right here while it works on it. Okay, so that took maybe 30 seconds, maybe a little bit longer, but I didn't want you to sit here and stare at my face. So now what you can do is you can choose to download or save it to straight to your Google Drive. You'd have to give permission and stuff like that, or to Dropbox if you have that, or download it. I prefer to download personally. It's just something I prefer to do. So if I download it, I click on download. This is my Chromebook, so it's going to look different than a Windows computer. It's going to give you a zipped file because you took 5 pages, which was one file, and now you split it into 5 separate files. So what it's going to do is give you a zipped folder that you're going to have to decompress, and then you have all 5 pages that you can, all 5 individual pages that you can work with. You click save, and if I can get this to move, click save, and then you're done. That's how this pretty much works for all the different processes on here. It's a really powerful tool if you're using PDFs. All right.